So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. And in this video I'll show you guys how you can build a digital modern banking website. You hear that right? A digital modern banking website. As you can see what you see on the screen, this is a banking website, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop this exact banking website. And this banking website has a lot of cool features, and these features are what is really needed right now. And I bet you guys are gonna love it. And if you need access to resources so that you can be able to follow up with this video, you should contact me. My WhatsApp number is gonna be on the video description and also on my channel profile. And if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button because we'll have a lot of cool features that you're gonna love. Okay, so this is a modern banking website, and I'm gonna show you guys the features that this banking website really has, and it has a lot of cool features that you're gonna love. So as you can see, how briefly designed, it has a very good animation, and as you can see, as I move my mouse around, the design in it hovers and follows along. So you can see how beautifully designed this project is. It's so awesome, so sleek. Everything has been developed. So if you really need this for your project, maybe your school project, for your university project, want to show your lecturer, if you want to show your friends that you started developing, you can actually watch this video, and this is gonna be for you. And as you can see right now, it has live chats where you can actually view currencies and their rate. So your one to stop digital banking platform, your one-stop digital platform. That means if you have this banking project, you're not gonna need any other banking project. This is also slick. This is also awesome. It has a testimonial where your users can tell how great your project has been with them. We have the blog page where you can actually write about event and project that you guys are actually doing on your project, and this is awesome. So if you love what we do this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button. So let's check the pages we have. Without the business, that's the home page. This is the home page right here. So we have the business page. So let's see what we have on the business page. So on our business page, you can see you can get a $300 bonus if you have a business checking account and take certain actions. It has this take me to the top, which you see right there. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to the top. So we have for the personal banking, we have for the credit card page, we have a lot of cool pages that you're going to love. I want to switch my network to 5G so that we can be able to browse really fast. Okay, so it's switched. So let's check for the credit card page. We have the credit card page. We have a lot of pages. So as I can say, we have the Visa card, we have the Master Rail, we have the Amex, we have the Discover, and how you can actually apply. So this is also awesome. So if you need access to the resource also, you can actually reach out to me so that you can get it really quick, and this is so awesome. So we have for the loan where you can actually apply for loan. We have the support. So let's check on the support. So you can send us mail, right? You can send us mail. So let's see what this for sign up. So we can actually sign up, can sign in also. So let's see what to create an account. So let's create an account really quick. So let's click right here to register for an account. So let's just enter any dummy content, and let's say the username is and let's just enter any mail, but you're gonna enter a correct mail because the verification code is gonna be sent. So we want to open a savings account, and our transfer pin, let's say we just want to use 1234. Then for our password, let's just enter something that we can remember. So I'm gonna agree, and I'm gonna submit this real quick. So a verification mail has been sent to us, so I'm going to save this. Let me check what mail is here. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we have two mails. So let's check the first mail. I say, hi Gerald West Prosper, this is your account and everything. Your password is your password, which is awesome. Then let's see the next mail. So the next mail is verify email address. So we're going to verify email address. So we can go ahead. So you say complete your AML. So let's click on that. So your zip code, let me just put any number. So your date of birth, let me say month on the 10th, day on the 10th, 1990. So state security number, I did not even have safe. Voila. I know about all these things, so only God will help us. So I'm opening a savings account. So my salary range is around is this annually. Let me see annual income. So it's, let me say, around $25,000 to $30,000. And what kind of employment? I'm self-employed because I own this channel. Let me see. So let's just enter any dummy content right here. So it has this WhatsApp right here where you can reach out to, you can chat the online care customer service. And let me say beneficiary legal name. Let me just use relationship. Let me say girlfriend. If you use your girlfriend to do nest of king, then you're a good boy. So for 1990, 2000, 2010, 2020, 30, right? 34. So this is 34 according to what I inserted right there. So you say, what are we using? Is it international passport, national ID card, or driver's license? Let me tell you, they use international passport. So upload the front. I'm just gonna upload any dummy content because this is just for a trial purpose, but for you, so passports. So let me just use a dummy content, okay? A dummy content. I don't want to be impersonating. I'm just gonna use the dummy content. Okay, hope you understand. Please, okay, there's something I've not yet feel. Okay, time. Okay, that is not time. That is, so I'm a master. So title. Please, then which one again? Gender. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, I hope they will not bounce us again. All right, so it's loading up. So all of which we just submitted the second. So I don't know, since my network has run away, so I'm just going to refresh this and I'm going to click on submit again. So it says action successfully, so it's under review, and this is going to go through review. Okay, it's going to go through review. So let me see what I'm going to do now is, so let me go to the admin real quick. So here is the admin. No, this is not the admin. Okay, this is my admin right here. So let me click on dashboard. So this theme, I do not like this theme, so we can actually change this theme. Let me see, I want to come right here to app settings. So let me change this theme. I want orange. All right, so orange looks good. It looks looks babyish. It looks babyish. Let's change this theme again. I want theme that is mature. Let me use this black. All right, this one looks good. This one looks good. So I'm going to come right here to where I can actually verify that user submitted new user application. Let me check on new user application. So Jira. So I'm going to view application. So this is the application the user submitted. That was all what the user did. I'm going to go ahead and come to action right here, and I'm going to say account credentials, account, let me say account approved, account approved successfully, account approved successfully. Hope my successfully is correct. So I'm gonna submit that. All right, so that has been approved. So let's go back right here to the user. Let's say we want to refresh this page. All right, so the user has been approved successfully. As you can see, this user looks so slick, so awesome. This is great. This project is so awesome. I love this project. So this user can actually chat online care representative using a WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and make a deposit, and the admin is going to approve that. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click on deposit. That's the first thing we want to do. We want to deposit, right? We really want to do that. So I'm going to click on, let me say I want to use Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT. So this supports it supports local bank, it supports cryptocurrency, which everybody loves cryptocurrency right now because it's a very private way of sending and receiving money anywhere around the world. So let me say I want to use USDT. So I want to deposit some of that you see on my screen. So this is just a project that does not really exist. It's just only for trial purposes. I want to do projects for the university, for their college, for the high school. You need a project just like this so that you can be able to top pass your class. You can actually contact me and you're going to get this project and you study this project. I've been having some calls striking, so it's really making my network bridging. So this is the wallet address. So you're going to copy this wallet address. So if you want to put yours, you come right here to the admin. And we come to settings right here. And let's come to app settings. And let's come to, okay, this is not app settings. So let's come to payment settings. So let's come to USDT right here and you view it. Once you view it, you can come right here and you can change the wallet address. Okay, so you can change this wallet address to yours. Okay, so that's gonna do it. If you want to upload a barcode, you can actually upload a barcode that they can scan, enabled, and all of those. So that's how this project really works. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the process. So let me say I've copied that and I've made the payment. I'm gonna upload my payment receipt. So let's just use that as a payment receipt and let's click on submit payment. All right, so our deposit has been successfully. So this is a success right here, and this looks so awesome. This looks so great. So we're going to head back to the admin right here and we're going to verify this deposit, and let's see what we have right here. So let's look for user deposit. So this user deposit right here, and we're going to check. So you can see this guy just deposited this amount of money, so it's on pending. So if you need a project that has transactions on pending, you need a project that can hold transaction on pending, this project is awesomely for you and you're gonna love this project. So we can come right here and we can actually view the transaction, and once we view the transaction, we can actually accredit this as a success. Once we as the admin, or you as the admin, has actually received the payment, so you can go ahead and click on process, and this is gonna be unprocessed. Okay, So if we come right here to the user, you can see, we can see right here that the user has that amount of money in his wallet. And wow, as you can see, this is awesome. This is actually awesome. This is actually awesome. So let's see what else we can actually do right now. So we can look at transfer. So let's say we want to initiate a transfer. Okay, so this project actually has a up to 4 transfer coding process. Okay, we have the IMF, we have the Swift code, we have the cut code, and we have the OTP. Okay, so let's say we want to make want to transfer out to another account. So let's just enter beneficiary name. Let's say it's just this. Let's say 2120. Okay, so this account number actually exists. If you send money to me, I will see it. So this is what transfer type: online banking, joint account, checking account, savings account. So let me say this is, so my pin, my transfer pin, actually use this as my transfer pin. So I can say note Swift. Let me use Swift. I don't want to spend more time on thinking, so I can go ahead and click on transfer. So as you can see right now, it requires an OTP. So I'm going to go right here to my mail, and I'm going to view out my OTP that has been sent to me. You can see account approved successfully. That's my first mail. My second mail is my deposit has been confirmed, and my third mail is this is my OTP. So I'm gonna copy that. I don't know why my screen is looking fadish. I'm gonna restart this PC, but I can't do that right now. I just gotta make this process out first off. So I'm gonna enter my OTP right now, and let me click on confirm OTP. Okay, so this is a receipt. Okay, so we have the receipt. We can do Ctrl P to print this receipt. As you can see, this is awesome. So let's go ahead and see if we've disabled those transfer process. So let's come right here and click on settings. So let's go at transfer. So let's update this. Let me say I just want to turn on just 2. And let me assume I want to turn off OTP. So I want to get them on track. So I'm going to initiate another transfer so that I can confirm this process. Let me click on new transaction. So I want to transfer bank address. Okay, bank address, let me see. Wow, Alaba. Okay, Swift code, IBN code, PIN code. So let's come here and let's collect the Swift code. So let's come to manage user. Let's view this user account then. Let's view this user account so that we can see if we can see the Swift code of. So this is the Swift code of this user. So we're looking for IBN. Okay, let's just forge something. So as you can see, before you proceed, we need IMF code. Okay, so what I should have done is, let me see if this is going to recognize my function. Let me say I turn this on back again, and I turn this on, and I click on update. So let me come back to manage user, and let me click on manage. So the house of IMF code, so this is the IMF code. So this is what you are going to send to the user to be able to initiate transfer. So let me enter this. Let me confirm IMF code. So Swift code is needed. So I'll come right here, and I'm going to copy code. So this is the second coding system on transfer. So let's enter this. So cut code is needed. So this will be the third code on transfer. You can see how powerful this project is. Very, very powerful. So we're going to enter this. This is now the fourth code. Wow, this project is so great. This project is so great. You don't want, you really don't want to miss this out. I bet you really don't want to miss this out. So you can see how powerful this project is. Wow. So we had the IMF code, we have the Swift code, we have the cut code, and we have the OTP. So this project actually works with 4 transfer code system. Okay, this is a 4 transfer code system, and this is awesome. It shows my available balance, which I have $8,500 in my available balance. And I can come right here and I click on home, and it's going to take me to home. I can go ahead and print this receipt. So I would love you guys to actually have this project, because this project is going to cover a lot of cool features that you're going to love. And let's go ahead and see some other cool features we can actually do with this project. This project is so slick, so awesome. You're gonna love this project. So let's say that's for local transfer. So local transfer works with only OTP, but international wire transfer works with the 4 transfer coding system. So that's what you should know. The next we're gonna do is, let's click on okay, we've done deposit. So let's go next into a loan request. So let's come right here and click on loan request. So I want to request a loan. So if you need you actually need a project that can works with loan management, you need a loan management project. This project also can works with a loan management. Okay, so you don't need to worry much. So this is just like a microfinance bank. So I want a loan of this amount of money. And what do you want to loan for? Select loan / credit facility. Is it a personal home loan? Is it a joint mortgage? Is it automobile loan? Is it a salary loan? Is it a secure overdraft? Is it a contract finance? Is it a secure team loan? Is it a startup / product financing? Is it local purchase order financing? Is it operational vehicle? Is it the revenue loan and overdraft? Is it retail TOD? Is it commercial mortgage? Is it office equipment? Is it a health finance product? Guidelines? Is it a health finance? So any kind of loan you want to actually take, it has all the schedule, of which we can actually add as much as possible. We really want to add to this list of loan purpose. Okay, so let me say I want an mortgage, right? I need the mortgage. Let me say commercial mortgage. I want to build a house, so mortgage is actually for housing. Okay, so I want to pay this in 5 years duration. So purpose of loan, I can say I have 5 wives. Let me say I have 5 wives, and I want them sheltered, and I want them sheltered. Okay, So I want to build at least 5 houses for my 5 wives so that they don't have to quarrel or do a lot of crazy non-entity things. So let me say this is my salary range, so I can go ahead and send a request. So if you're gonna hear my background, rain just started falling right now in my community. So I've actually requested for a loan. You can go ahead and see your loan history. So my loan history, you're gonna see a pending loan right here. Yep, a pending loan. That's great. So I can come right here and let me check on the settings. So on this settings, this is where you can actually view, you can actually add your address. So let me say this is an address. So for security, you want to change your password. That's for security. Let me come back to settings right here. Upload profile picture, change transaction pin. Maybe you feel like somebody has started transferring money out of your account and you want to change your transaction pin. This is how you can actually do that real quick. So let's go ahead and say, okay, we want to create a support ticket. So maybe you have a question or you have a difficulty, you want to make it known to the bank. You can actually write your complaint, what you want to complain of. So I can say let me say my loan has been on pending for a very long time, full stop. And I can say, so in the priority, I want to make my priority high. So I can go ahead and copy the same sentence, so you can actually do yours. So then I can say next one, I can say I am in a very need of the loan. I'm in a very need of the loan, comma, please. So I can say, please help me to verify the loan and have please help me verify the loan and have me credited. Right, so this is a very, very compendent statement. So I can just go ahead and submit that. So I've opened a support ticket with the bank. So the next thing I can go ahead is to log out. So I guess, so if I click on WhatsApp right here, it's going to take me to where I can start chatting. Okay, where I can start chatting with this particular number. So this is also awesome. This is also great. So let's go back to the admin and see some cool features that the admin is going to do. So let's say on loan application, let's check on active loan. So we have this loan on pending. So I can go ahead and click on action, click on more actions, and I can go ahead and delete plan or mark as process. So I can go ahead and click on what? Mark as process. So that has been marked as process. I can go ahead and click on mark as pending. I can go ahead and say I want it pending back again, and it's going to be on pending. So this project also looks so awesome. So the user might have received that amount of money. So let's say so on this email service, you can send mail to, either you want to send a broadcast mail to all users, or you want to send a mail to users without active investment plan, or users without any deposit, or choose user. If you want to choose a single user, they can select the user. Maybe it's Gerard, maybe it's Remedy, maybe it's Eva. You can actually choose. So if I say I want to send a message to all users, and I want to say hello investor, subject account info, so I can say secure your account at all time. Secure your account at all times. So I can go ahead and send this message. So that message will be sent successfully. So let's come to the IP address. So you can actually blacklist a particular IP. So maybe you don't want a particular set of people to use your platform. You can actually impute that particular IP of that region, and they won't be able to access your project. So let's come right here and manage user. Let's see what you can do. Let's come to more actions. So you can say fund. You can actually fund the user account. You can change user profile picture. You can reset the user password. You can turn on dormant account. You can clear account. You can edit. You can send mail. You can log in as the user. You can actually check the login activity. You can block this user. You can even go ahead and delete this user. Right, so this is so awesome. So I can go ahead and fund this user account. So let me say I want to fund this user with this amount of money. Say I want to fund, type scope, maybe it's an international transfer. Description, funds. Let me say something like that. So date of transaction. So you can actually put the particular date of transaction. Or maybe I say I want this to be on the 10th, on the 2 of 1999. Are you getting it? So you can actually make mail to send on this. So you can go ahead and fund the account of that user, right? You can go ahead and fund the account of that user, of which we've done. This is great. So the admin can actually create a new user. Okay, the admin can create a new user. New user application. You can view, transfer transaction. You can still view. So this on pending. So I can go ahead and process it. So I can put the date time of which I want it to be processed. So I can actually view this transaction again. You put the date, maybe I want this to be last month. So I can say 08/08 2024. I click on process, as you can see. So all of this project works so slick, so awesome. You're gonna love this project if you get involved. So if you need access to this resource, you can actually reach out to me, and this project is gonna awesomely be yours. So let's say user deposit. Let's check on the user deposit. So this is the deposit will be saved. So there's no active loan, email service, administrator. So you can add manager, right? You can add a manager. You can manage admins. You can go ahead and say, okay, I want to delete this guy, as you can see, but we're not going to do any of that. Come to app settings. Let's see for the app settings also. So we've done a lot of cool features. So at this point, next I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop this exact project. So to get this project developed, the first thing we're going to need is we need to upload the soft copy of this file. That is the project file of this file. So to upload that, we just come right here and click on upload, assuming everything here is empty. But if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to be working in your public_html. The process I'm not working under my public_html because there's a project already in that, of which I can't tamper with. So for you, you'll be working in your public_html if you're buying the hosting and a domain for the first time for the project, and I highly recommend you using GoDaddy, Namecheap, Web Manager. These are awesome hosting company, and they provide excellent service. Okay, so once you've uploaded your file, so you click on upload, you click on select file, and my file is right here. So this is the file. So as you can see, the file is 125 megabytes, and to those of us that are developers, you can know how powerful this project is for it to be a 125 megabytes. So once you double click on it, you start uploading. So until it becomes a green, the progress bar filled up and becomes green, that is when it has fully uploaded. So once it has been uploaded, the next thing you're going to do is you extract the file. To extract the file, you click on it, you right click, then you click on, there will be an extract button. Once you've extracted it, the next thing you're going to do is you come to this .env file, you click on edit, and you're going to impute your own database. Okay, you're going to impute your own database, and to create a database, you can actually do that. You can actually just come right here, you click on data, you click on database wizard. Okay, then you're gonna enter it. So let me say this is Word, and you're gonna click on next. Okay, you're gonna follow the prompt. So let me just show you guys. You're gonna click on next. So let me say this is words, then you're gonna enter your password. Then you click on create user. So this user is going to be created. Once this user has been created, the next thing you want to do is you're going to click on all privileges, and once you've clicked on the all privilege, you're going to click on next step, and this database has been created successfully. So you're going to copy this and paste as user. You copy this, paste as admin, of which I did not say admin, that is for the database. This will be for database, for database, user for user. Then you're going to enter your database password. So once you've done that, you're going to change this from true to false, and your app URL, you're going to put in your app URL. So I can come right here and I can copy my app URL, which is this right here. And once I've copied this, I'll come right here and I'm going to paste it real quick. And once I've done that, next I'm going to do, I'm going to click on save changes. Then you also put the name of your project. So I can say the name of project PNGS Pings Tech Bank. Then we'll come right here and we delete this also, and we click on save changes. And once these changes has been saved, the next we want to do is we go ahead and we want to upload our SQL file. Okay, we want to upload our SQL file, right? We want to upload our SQL file. So to upload your SQL file, you come to PHP admin, and you can actually get that by typing on PHP, and you come to PHP my admin right here. And once you've clicked on PHP admin, it's going to redirect you to where, so you're going to click on the word of the database you've created, and you're going to click on import, and you're going to import the database. So this is database right here. They come right here and you click on import. Okay, so if I click on import, it's going to be imported. And once this SQL file has been imported, the next thing you want to do is you go ahead and click on admin, then you click on edit. Now you need to change your password to your own password. So you're going to use your encryption, your encryption, and you highlight all and put in your own admin password. Okay, you want to put in your own admin password, so you can just go ahead and save the rest. So any other things you wish to change right here, you can go ahead and change, but I guess everything is okay. So next I'm going to go ahead is to click on go, and once I've clicked on go, so now I've gotten my admin, I've changed my admin, so now I can log in with my new credential. So your email is this, and your password is your new password. Okay, so once that has been done, the next thing you want to do is you want to browse your site. So to browse your site, you just go ahead, and it's so easy. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. So if you don't know how to get a hosting and a domain, you can contact me. I'm gonna help you out on how you can get a hosting and a domain. Okay, So all of that has been told. You can see this project so slick, so awesome. You love it, and I bet you really do. So if you need this access to these resources, you should contact me today. And if you love what doing this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. So to get logged into your admin, for the first time, you're gonna use slash en is not there. Ensure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye for now. Good luck. Stay blessed.